Hey guys, it's Olivia, and today I'm going to be doing a little video on organization. Recently I've been organizing and cleaning and trying to kind of redo some of my friends' rooms. Not because I'm trashing them or anything or bashing them because they had bad rooms, but they've been wanting to redo them and I'm helping clean and organize, and I thought it'd be fun to do some organization tips. So let's get into the video. The first thing I'm going to tell you about is to use a cork board for lots of stuff. I have so much stuff on my cork board, and it ranges from jewelry to badges for the hospital to necklaces to bracelets. It's insane. I have so much stuff on that cork board, and it was the one thing I had to buy. And you can even get cork board yourself, and you can just hang it up anywhere. You can put it anywhere. It matches mostly everything. You can always get a frame for it, but that's the first one. So the second one, my room is not really small, but I don't have much space because I have a huge window that covers a whole wall. So I really can't put anything on that wall or put anything in front of it. So I don't have much storage on the floor, and I have a lot of stuff. You don't have storage on your floor, you can hang stuff. I used to have so many shelves, and I still have a couple shelves up there. So helpful to hang things and put them up on shelves rather than keeping them in a basket somewhere, because that gives you more space if you just hang them up. But another thing you can do for jewelry is you can simply make your own necklace rack. I'll show you mine. It was really simple to make. I went to Michael's and I got a clearance frame. I don't know what was wrong with it. I think the paint was chipped or something. Then I painted over it and I put little pieces of wire across it. I turned it horizontally, and then I hung necklaces and stuff on it, and it was super cheap to do. It didn't cost me much, and it was just a fun thing. I'm sure you've done this before, but you can simply upcycle mason jars. You can put literally anything in them. You can put makeup brushes, pens, pencils, lip balms, sugar, whatever you want. And to just make them cuter, you can paint them, and then you can kind of distress them or whatever you want to do. But that's another way to kind of organize and make it pretty cute. As far as drawers go in your room, some of them can get very messy. For more desk drawers or nightstand drawers or kind of IKEA drawers, you can always put inserts in them, so you can find little boxes, put them in them, and you can organize all your stuff in those boxes, which is super simple. If you want to spice up the drawer as well, you can put some colored or patterned paper at the bottom, and if you get clear organization, you can see it through, and it's really cute that way. As for dresser drawers, I know they're a little bit bigger. Putting shoe boxes in them, if they fit, makes it very helpful to organize your stuff. The next thing I'm going to tell you guys about is using a file or paper holder to hold your makeup palettes. I love this hack. It looks super cute if you get a really cute file holder, and it looks nice, and you can display your palettes, unless they're really gross, and you probably shouldn't, but you can just clean them or whatever, and then you can display them, and it's really cute. Last thing I have for you guys, you probably saw on my thumbnail, simple DIY. I went to Hobby Lobby and I got some burlap ribbon, and I used a picture frame, and I simply glued all these down. You cut them, glue them down, and then you create your own thing. And I found this frame at my house, so I didn't have to pay for that. I only had to pay I don't even think it was $2 for the ribbon, and it was 50% off. So super simple DIY that you can do, and you can hang your earrings from it, and they're really cute. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to like it if you like it, and then comment down below any comments, questions, video ideas. So also make sure to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when my videos go up every single time. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you next time. Love y'all. Peace.